Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elliot Master Live Trading Channel. My name is Philippe. I'm the trader on this channel. Today is November 16th, 2020. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. If you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe. Don't forget to click the little bell so you can get a notification when we go live. If you're a returning trader, please hit like. Or if you learned something from this channel, please hit like. All right, let's get this disclaimer out of the way. So let's start looking at some trades. Where am I? Where's my cursor? For some reason I can't find my cursor. There it is. Okay. All right. Any views expressed in this channel, Elliot Master YouTube channel, are those of the author only. Any communications forms for informational discussion, entertainment purposes only, and does not constitute investment advice, nor is an incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures commodities or a solicitation to buy or sell any investment product / asset class in any jurisdiction. Any views, valuations they've ever expressed or quoted, buy or sell trades are only estimates and are subject to change. All investment ideas discussed in this channel may involve high risk, and there's a possibility of total loss, or that losses may exceed the amount invested. It is the sole responsibility of the viewer to assure that she or he complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Elliot Master Channel is not a licensed investment advisor or a commodity trading advisor, nor is it licensed as such with any federal or state regulatory agency. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investment / trading decisions, including entries, exit, and the use of stops. The author is not responsible for any loss or damage arising from or in connection with the use of any information from this channel. So if you take our trades, if you follow any of our trades, you're doing so at your own loss. Always use a stop. Remove. Okay, here we go. All right. So the market is opened up with no gap. That's a first in a long time. It dropped almost 18 points. Is that what it was? $30 points. It dropped 30 points on some vaccine news. Moderna's vaccine, I think, has a longer shelf life or doesn't need to be stored at, is it 70 below zero that they need to be stored at? Some crazy temperature like that. But why would it drop gold? I don't have an old, let's see. Or maybe that wasn't the news that affected gold, but because I don't see anything else that was close to 3.5 hours ago. Let's see. Keep an eye on the market. Nothing's happening. Yeah, I don't know what it was, but yeah, let's see. Crude's positive, ES is yeah, everything is positive except for bonds and T-notes. All right. What time is it? 7 o'clock? All right, let's start looking for some trades. It was a big block order, a 50 lot at 6:49. So about 9 minutes ago. Oh, is that 60? Yeah. So there's a lot of room on the downside and a lot of volume areas that need to be filled, but we still have that volume area from last Monday that needs to be filled. That's in the upside. Market is negative. Oh, no idea. All right. So I had a long yesterday in the overnight to 1900. Luckily, it happened early enough that I was still coming to my office on and off and watching it, that I was able to get off with some profit. But the high was 98. It was 2 points shy from my target. All right, so we have no so for Topstep, we have no reports that we need to watch out. I think Wednesday we have one, and then on Thursday, but today and tomorrow there's no report, so we're free to trade without any restrictions. You guys are free to trade without any restrictions. All right. So since there is no gap for us to worry about, this makes it a lot easier to figure out where we are. We could be doing a wave 3 to the downside. Let me fix the chart here, make it smaller. So this could be a wave 1, 2. This would be a perfect ABC. And wave 3 down. But this should have went a little further down. Got stopped out at support from this area here. All right, I'm having some issues. Yep. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to shut down and reload everything. All right, I'm just gonna go and stay on. Let's see what happened to streaming when this happens. Where are you? All right, there it is. Don't want to back up. I don't want to back up now. I don't have time for this. All right. Let me give it 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm not able to open up some of my tools on NinjaTrader. And sometimes that happens when the computer stays on all night. I had a sell order at 1900. All right, let's try it now. All right, this will take a little bit, so let's just be patient. A little hint on Ninja. If you guys have a lot of chart, wait until all of your charts are fully loaded with all of the information before you go and connect to your data provider. If you have one or two charts, doesn't matter, but if you have a lot of charts, especially with a lot of indicators, or with Ranko like I do, Ranko is very heavy. It takes a lot of the CPU. All right, why? All right, sorry about that, but it's better doing now than while I'm on a trade. Okay, here we go. All right, I think everything is loaded. Let me go ahead and connect. And this should be another 3 minutes. All right, are we there? Not there yet. That's weird. Now it's yellow. Why isn't it connecting? I knew something was wrong. Huh. Alright, it's not connecting. Oh, let me disconnect. Connect. Alright, now it's on. Okay. Now, this will take about 2 to 3 minutes for everything to load. Alright. Now, which chart is showing? I'm gonna have to add the chart. I got so many charts that I have to manually add it every morning. All right. All right, sorry about this, guys, but it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, let's see if there's any news. Also got some time to kill here. Nothing new. Market just went positive. All right, now they're starting to load. All right, almost there. Almost there. Huh. Looks like one of my charts loaded, and it only started from 7 o'clock. There's a whole hour missing. That is odd. Everything else is loaded. I'm going to have to click reload. Reload historical data. Alright, still nothing happening, so we're not really losing out on anything. Okay, see how it, so I guess all of them are missing time. Look at that. It starts from 7 instead of 6:30. So I'm missing half hour of data. Well, it's still loading, so let's see if it loads correctly. Yeah, all of my gold charts are missing half an hour. And this is critical. I need that half hour. Alright, it's starting to come in now. I am going to have to make... Alright, one chart is fully loading now. This has loaded correctly, okay. Okay, I think the correct data is starting to come in. Here we are. Okay, almost there. Alright, so I can start looking at this chart here. Alright, so it still looks like a wave too, so we could do a scalp here. So it went negative again. To me, I'm seeing a wave, but it could also be a flat. All right, I'm gonna go for a short right here. Market is very indecisive, so you guys look at a 1 minute, I mean, not 1 minute. If you look at the daily chart, we're still in the shadow of Monday. But now we have a big wick to the downside because of that news. have a blue line here, not red. Is this a gap? I don't know if that is a gap line or not. I have to check. Alright. If we see 1890, I'm going to cancel. 1890.2, I'm going to cancel the short. Alright, I don't know why I have that line there. I should have two lines there. I'm not sure what it is. Well, I'm gonna take them both out. Yeah, not much action today. Guess we'll need to be very patient. Today's our last day on crude. If you trade crude, you need to switch months tomorrow. We're at the end of trading. I'm gonna take a little scalp right here. Whoa, what is that? What? Why did it fill me? That is weird. The hell is that? Alright, that's not what I wanted. That is weird. Alright. That's what we're going for right there. So it could stop. Do we have any tools? Get some of these tools over here. I could use them. Save me some time. That is support. All right. So it could bounce off of this area right here if it does an ABC. ABC maximum. But wave 3 is very close also. First target on 3. And then if it does a maximum target on 3, this is going to be it right here. All right. Looking pretty good already. Up 100. So it bounced off a little early. So this could be a good sign. Usually I like it when it bounces early because it means it's still going to keep going. Not always, but usually that is the case. I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to have to make a phone call at 10:45. I'm going to probably be put on hold. So I guess I'll stay on while I'm on hold, and then when... Or let me go get a... We're looking good on this trade. I'm going to go get a headphone. I'll be back. That was close. Not too worried about it going too far. All right, so I'm gonna leave that there. When it's time, I'll just make the call. All right, so it did bounce off. First target looks like it's still going. Here we go. Oh, that was close. Are we done? All right, I'm going to move stop to entry. Come on. Go, go, go. Man, I'm tempted to move it down to the next target. I'm going to move it down. This could be a mistake, but we're only 2 points negative. The market's going to go negative. It's going to go. Right? There is also extended wave 3. which is right here. Let me check that. All right. That is all the way here. Oh no, I do not. Oh, it bounced out. Look at that. Bounced off of our target and went up. So we would have gotten filled. Look at that. That was on the nose. If you look at a 1 minute chart, yeah, that was on the nose. 86 even. I'm tempted to move up or stop. Alright, I'm gonna move it up. This could be a mistake. I suggest not doing this. Let me figure a wave to the upside. The only reason why I don't suggest it is that we are so close to being positive that the market just may want to go positive. That's it right there. Yep, this could be a mistake. Got greedy. Oh my God. Alright, we're gonna be negative $100. What a bummer. Oh, that was a nice trade too. That was a nice trade. That was almost 3 points. That was 2 points. And there it is. Well. Alright, negative 100. Okay, what's wrong with why are these trades appearing? Well, it went to target, but we didn't get out. What a bummer. Oh, we could have had 200. All right. So I guess it doesn't want to go. So this then looks like a wave 3 to the upside, right? Wave 1, A, B, C. Wave 3 up. I should get in on it now. But let's see if it will retract a little bit. But we should get on it now. I think it's just gonna do a runner up. I don't think it's gonna. So if you want to go long, I would go long right above this last high bar. If you can't afford to have a long stop. But this would be a correction right there. So this looks like a wave 3. All of this is correction. You know what? Let me do an. You know what do we need to do? We need to do an ABC up to see if it looks like it has reached. So max, the ABCs are here, so it's already on the wave 3. And this is why I want to go ahead and take. So first target would be a 92.5. Are there buyers coming in? Yeah, there's buyers. All right, I'm gonna put a long here, but I really want to go long in this area. Okay, so it just did a minimum 3, which, oops, leave that there. Here is, so actually I'm kind of scared to go long where I'm at, because that's right at maximum C. So here it is. These are the targets. So I'm gonna wait. Now again no. This is a advanced trade to go anywhere long from here. And the reason is that when it reaches this area, we're gonna be negative again. So is it gonna go positive again? Should have taken that profit while I had it. But it looked like it was gonna be a runner because we're only negative 1 point. All right, this is gonna be a difficult day. I could tell already. Okay, so now market is negative. Is it gonna bounce, go up, or keep going down? All right, I'm gonna take a short at 88.4. Let's see if it will let me in. Or 88.2. Let's see. This extremely advanced trade, guys, because it actually looks like a wave 3 to the upside, but the market is negative again, and this is why I'm going negative. So I'm going with the ABC. So it did an ABC. So A, B, C corrected, came down. So true target, it would be 85.1, which is one tick down. So if you believe that's going long, you should go long now, because it does look like a beautiful wave 1, ABC, wave 3 up. So we need to see an 86. We see an 86, it will confirm that we are going to the south side. Yeah, I wish I would have taken this trade with some profit instead of being negative 100. So it could turn into a wave 3, and wave 3 first target would be 81.5. So 81.5, 81. Which coincides with the extended wave 3 of our previous trade. And the next target down is 76.1. I'm tempted to move it down. Again, if it goes, it's going to go. 4 points is nothing. All right, I'm going to go for it. But true target, I think it's the ABC. Again, I just screwed up on a previous trade, going for wave 3 instead of getting out on the ABC, and I lost, I think it's 220 I could have made, and I got stopped out, and now I'm negative 100. All right, I'm gonna try it. Don't suggest going for it. Suggest going for the ABC. First target 85.1. All right, this was reached, so we don't need that. So 85.1. 85.1 is the first target, and that is till 84.6. 84.6. 84.6. That's first target. Second target is maximum is going to be 83.9 to no, it's 84. 84 to 83.5. 84 to 83.5. All right, it's turning on us. No. So we're positive again, but it could still do a correction. I'm going to keep this a little tighter. So I'm going for an ABC down, but this could be a wave 3 up. So ABC, wave 3 down, or it could be wave 1, ABC, beginning of 2. I mean, ABC, end of 2, wave 3 up. So we could be on a wave 3.2. I think a lot of people got caught up on that 30-point drop. So there must be a lot of people scaling. This is why the market is having a hard time going positive, I think. On a longer time frame, there is a short. Let me see. Let me calculate it. Oh, I think that might have. No, there is a short, but this is a really big time frame, and it wants to go down to 1829. But that's a super long. You know what? I'm just gonna raise my target to 85.1. I was already greedy one time. Should have scalped it. I didn't, and I lost out on being positive already. All right, 3-pointer. I'll be positive 200. But if the market is going negative, that 81.6 is very doable. I may still change my mind. Let's see how much momentum. Let me see if I'm able to look at orders. So there's a 59 lot at 87. Yeah, I'm not able to see past 85, but there's quite a lot of big orders. There's a 27.85.4, 27.86.2, 27.86.8, then a 59.87. There's a selling opportunity on the NQ. I'm going to take a short on the NQ. Alright, this one's short on the NQ 997.25. Target 76. Stop at 12,007. Ooh, it's not looking good. Not looking good on the NQ. Here we go. Come on, NQ, let's go. All right, hopefully gold and NQ are going in the same direction. All right, we're back at zero again. Now we're negative. I have a feeling it's going to make a big move, either up or down. And I'm going to move my stop. I'm going to move my target. Where's my cursor? There it is. Yeah, 8 points negative is nothing. It may, I think if it goes our way, it might bounce off of these numbers, correct, and then come all the way down. I don't think it will go all the way down in one big move. But if it does, if it corrects off of the second target, we'll be safe where our entry is. I'm going to move stop to entry. If it bounces off first, then we're going to be right at the top of correction. Oh, come on, NQ. Go. ES and YM. don't want to go anywhere. Yeah, that overnight wasn't bad. I picked up 5 points. Oh, I'm getting stopped out on the NQ. Almost got. Now it's going to take me out. Yeah, I got super lucky on that overnight. If it hadn't gone towards target so early, I would have been stopped out. And I would have lost 1,000. Luckily, I was still watching it. Alright, this NQ trade. I'm going to lose. Oh, bummer. Lost $180 on that NQ trade. Alright, I'm done trading these E-minis. They're just too volatile. Alright. Are we on the wrong side of the trade here? Is this starting to look more like a wave 3 to the upside? There's a lot of block orders on the upside too. There's a 63 lot at 1890. Well, that was a big bar up. Okay, I think we're in trouble. All right. Yeah. Oh, man. Okay, so I think it's deciding on a side. All right, I'm going to extend it a little bit just in case it just wants to gobble up that 69 lot at 1890. Which is the top of that ABC. So I'm risking $200 here. So it is at that minimum C again. Oh, look at that. A lot of sellers came in. All right, since it did that, I am not comfortable with a wave 3 anymore. I'm more comfortable with an ABC. Yeah, market could be just doing another sideways day, and target wave 3. I think it's a little bit out. I think the ABC is a better bet. Grab a vitamin. I'll stretch out. Oh, my video's been off. I'm sorry, guys. Just noticed that. Sorry about that. And we need to see it past 86. So here's another chance to get out of this trade. We are at 0 again. Negative. So the market has no idea what it wants to do. But we have been more on the negative side than the positive, but that could be a bad sign. This is why, another reason why I don't think that it will go to target 3. It should have kept on going, and it didn't. Bounced up. So it's looking more like a choppy day than a trending day. But if you're Topstep trader and you took that first trade with me, I suggest you getting out. Because this is looking like an ABC up or a diagonal, right? Wave up. But this one here should have been a little longer. This wave here should have taken us out. And then it should have came down again to a double zigzag. So let's see if it will do a zigzag down and hit our target. But it's looking more and more like a advanced trade because of the indecision of this market. This never wants to be negative or positive. It could just go take us out, come back down, or vice versa. Hit our target, go back up, because that would be testing the low of the cash market, right? Our target is a perfect place to bounce off. All right. If you haven't seen it, crude, ES, and YM are dropping. Let's see if this helps us out. Hi there, little buddy. My little hummingbird friend, he just sits on a twig and watches me. I wonder if he's policing his water. He probably is. All right, so NQ does not want to drop at all. So it looks like gold is following NQ. All right, I think we're on the wrong side of the trade here. All right, if it lets me out, I'm getting out. I'll even pay a 1 tick. Yeah, it's too late now. Okay, if it bounces off of that big lot, let's see. Oh, not when it bounced off, it took us out. Okay. All right. Man, that'll be another chasing day, huh? Wow, that was a big spike up. 90.6. All right. I'm negative, but I did warn everybody. You had a chance to get out. I did say it was not looking good. All right, where are we at now? All right, I'm gonna look for a long entry. I don't think it will let me in, but I want to try to get in as cheap as possible. So let's see if I can get in right in this area. So it's starting to look more and more like that wave 3 to the upside, but it's still a zigzag. So first target on the upside would be 92.1, which is a little higher, a little lower than what we previously had. All right, let's see if it wants to correct down. Yeah, definitely it's following the NQ. Yeah, because YM dropped 40 points and gold did nothing. And crude dropped 15 cents and no reaction again from gold. All right, I'm liking the upside now because we are positive. But now NQ, yeah, it's gonna be a very difficult day. Gonna lift up my entry. It might have been done, but if it doesn't let me in, I'll just go for a one pointer at 90.9. If you're a Topstep and you follow me on this trade, you should actually either be done or switching to sim. Yeah, that's the only problem with gold. It's 1 point's $100. Makes it hard when you start losing from the get-go. All right, it looks like it's not gonna let us in. Oh, here we go. All right, so it is definitely following the NQ because the NQ is dropping. Well, it looks like it's gonna fill us. All right, we're in. Okay. I'm gonna keep this stop tight. So it's looking more and more like a diagonal up, double zigzag. The only problem is that we are at the bottom of that zigzag. So we need it to break to the upside now. We need this zigzag to end and break to the upside. the hell's my neighbor doing? All right, here we go. Okay, so it could stop at 90.7. 90.7 or 91.5. Or it can turn into a wave 3 and go to our target of 92.6. You know, I'm gonna go for the target. I'm negative. I need to make as much money back as I can. So the high of the overnight is at 97.8. If you're Topstep and decided to take this trade, I suggest getting out at 90.7. It could be doing a zigzag up, so next leg of the zigzag would be at 90.7. Then a bounce back down. It could take us out, go back up again. All right, just made a high on the cash market. Let's see how it reacts here. So it reached first target. Second target is going to be at 91.5. Ooh, okay, so it bounced. Look at, oh. I came pretty close, huh? Wow. 6 ticks away. 6 ticks away from our target. Huh. So if you're really optimistic, it can go all the way up to 95.1. All right, I'm gonna move to the top of this right here. So 93. 93. Gonna make my stop a little tighter. Get out now. I'll be negative 30. All right. Come on, go to target. Let's go. Yeah, so it's looking more and more like a wave 3. So 1. Yep, that's what it's looking like. 1 ABC, wave 2, wave 3, yeah. So it looks like it has made a decision to stay positive. If you want to be a good trader, you need to adapt. You cannot force a market direction. You can't also Keep telling yourself you're right and that you know you're just an observer. I don't know anything. I'm just observing the market. I'm just trying to go along with it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, it could be done up here, guys. It did reach our second target, which is the maximum C at 91.5. It could be done, or it could turn into a wave 3 and hit our target. Okay, this would be where the correction is. So we could probably actually move our stop. I mean, are they gonna test going negative again? They can. But if it reaches target, wave 2 area will be higher. So coming down on a correction wouldn't be as close to going to zero again. So I think we're looking good on our target. It doesn't look like NQ wants to go up. All three of them are trying to drop. Oh, here goes NQ. No, it's going up now. Woo, come on. Come on, come on. All right, there could be a selling opportunity on a longer time frame. So we need to see a 92.1. 92.1. So I'm gonna move my stop to entry. Come on, 92.1. Give me a 92. Give me a 92.3 just to make sure. Did it do it? No. Come on, come on. Come on. All right, up 310 on this trade. Here we go. Okay, we're looking good now. We're looking good, boys and girls. All right, so that short was killed. But it could still come down. And look at that. Yep. All right, we need to reach his target. That's what we need. Reach target. Oh man, that was so close. 7 ticks away. So it may want to do that correction now. I am tempted to raise and re-enter it. Look at that. All right, here's the 8:30 mark. Let's see if it wants to drop. I don't remember if it did drop on Friday. So we are at minimum C territory right now, which was the first target. Let's see if this area turns into support. We are right. No, doesn't look like it. So our entry is right at POC. POC is at 89.2. Next target is 95.2. I'm tempted to move it up. It stops short from our target. It's looking more and more like a wave 3. I'm gonna go for it. $95.2 and 95.2 almost coincides with Friday's high, which was 95.7. So it may want to test that, or it could be a pipe dream and how we're doing on time. 8:30. So we have 2.5 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna think about this. I might just get out at 93. I don't want to risk. We'll see. Let's see how it moves up. But let me go ahead and draw a target up there just in case. And then extended wave 3 is a 97.2. Actually, this should be right here. That's where it should be. Right there. All right, we need to see a 92.1 or 92.2. That's exactly what we need to see. It 92.2. Because otherwise this here can be a wave 2, 3 down. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 down. Or if we count this low here, it might actually be a wave 1, 2, 3. We could be doing a wave 4 down also. Yeah. Let me see what this looks like. Let me start crunching some numbers here. So if this was the beginning of 1, this low here did a new correction. It corrected more than a wave 2. So I don't know if this is a wave 2. I'm more comfortable with this being a wave 2 here. Beautiful ABC, ABC, wave 2, wave 3 up. All right, shows a new higher high. Yeah, I'm liking this here as the beginning of a 1 more than over here. All right, so if you're long, be warned, it could stop at 93.1 and then do a wave 4 down and take us out. I'm willing to risk it. Since I'm negative, I need to make as much money back and some profit. All right, so if I step out now, I'm positive $10 for the day. All right, so that short was killed, but it's trying to make another one. Yeah, we won't be safe until we reach at least 93. It keeps wanting, it keeps bouncing off at ABCs. Let's see what kind of obstacles we have. So I could only see as far as 93, and at 93 we have 38 lot, 93.1, 33. Yeah, so that 93 could be a big obstacle. Ooh, there's a buying opportunity on the ES, which I think I'm gonna take. I'm gonna go long on the ES at 19.5. Target 94. I'm sorry, 24 and a quarter. Right, here we go. All right, so we went way above. I wasn't looking. All right, what is it gonna do now? Now it may do a wave 4 to the downside. It could be done. It could be done. All right, I gotta at least put something in my pocket here. I'm gonna move it up 11 ticks. Yeah, I should have gone out in all of these early wave C's. Should have been scalping. But the reason that I didn't scalp is because we are right at the opening of the market as far as price. It has to at least go up 5 or 6 points. If the market was already up 10 or 15 points, most likely I would have gone for the ABC targets. Unless I was already negative, trying to make my money back. But yeah, 10-15 points is nothing these days. All right, starting to see some buyers come in. Let's see what kind of blocks we have to the upside. All right, I could only see as far as 94.9, and there's a 25 lot at 93.8, a 23 lot at 94.6, and another 23 at 94.9. Come on, here we go. All right, I'm almost at target on my ES trade. Here we go. Come on, ES. Go, go, go. So I went long at 19 and a quarter. Stop at 17 and a quarter and target 21.5. All right. I'm going to make my money back that I lost in that NQ trade that I took earlier. I know I said I was not going to take a mini trade, but this one looked really good. But actual target on the ES is 24 and a quarter. I'm just scalping, but the true target is 3,624.25. All right, so we are reaching a resistant area. Let's see how the market reacts at 94.5. So at 94.6, there's a 25 lot. So there will be some sellers there. We just need a hot knife. Hot knife. Let's go. Oh, come on. I think we are struggling here. All right, let me calculate a wave 4 to the downside, see if we're safe. All right, I'm going to turn this into a wave 4. And we are not safe. So if you are on this trade, you should probably get out. But here is wave 4. What color is wave 4? Is it orange? Orange. All right. That's the wave 4 correction. All right, I'm thinking of, all right, NQ starting to move up again. I am tempted to get out here. All right, this could be a mistake. Oh, no, it's moving up. I'm tempted to move my stop to 93. And I'm going to. This could be a mistake, but I need to guarantee some profits. All right, there's an NQ trade. If anybody wants to take it in NQ, I'm done with NQ today, but you can go long at 84.25, and target will be at 28. So 984.25, and target is 12,028. It's looking pretty good. It just did a maximum C. All right, here we go. Come on, go, go, go. Come on. So it might bounce off a 94.5. All right, I'm getting out of my ES trade. All right, looks like all of the markets are dropping, and it looks like it's going to take us out. All right, that won't be bad. I'll be positive. Ooh, come on, come on. Go, go, go. New high, go. One big spike up. Go. You know, I'm gonna maybe re-enter that ES trade. Right, looks like gold is struggling. This could be a good thing. Oh man, I'm tempted to move down my stop because it keeps hitting 93.9. It's an obstacle, so it's got to break that. Here it is. Go, go. All right. New higher high. So now there's a 50 lot at 95. So our target is looking really good. But it may correct and take us out before it reaches our target. I think that's what's going to happen. I have a feeling. Yep. So it broke that 93.9, but barely, and they came in selling. Yeah, so it will take us out, correct. So I am gonna look to re-enter this trade again if it takes me out. May even take a short. I'm gonna already change my ATM strategy to 1 point. Ooh, we're back up again. All right, my ATM strategy is changed to 1 point. I may even take a short at our target. I'm tempted to actually move my stop higher. Now it's too late. Come on. It's going to take us out. I should have moved a little higher. One tick higher. All right, it's going to take us out. A lot of volume is being exchanged at this level. A lot of volume. POC may even change up here. Right now it's still at 88.2. Here we go. Come on, come on. New high, new high. All right, so they're starting to get afraid at 95. It was, oh no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go, go. I'm going to lower my target. 95. Get me out. Get me out. Oh, get me out. Go. Go. Yes, go, 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 go. Come on. Come on, bid. Bid is lowering. All right, I'm going to move my stop up again. Wow, that was so close. That was one tick away, huh? One tick away. Come on, go, go, go. There it is. Ooh, go. All right, I'm gonna thinking about lowering it one tick, but I think it's gonna go now. Go. There it is. Go, go. No. All right, I'm gonna lower it one tick. Oh, man. I'm gonna raise my stop to 94. Go. Yes. All right. So we went from being negative 320 to being positive 280. Yeah, boy. Woohoo. That's how it's done. Oh, man. Wow. Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to start looking for a scalp to the downside. It still hasn't hit our target, right? So I'm gonna, as soon as I see, I'll probably go short right here. I'm gonna do a 1 point scalp. Sell market right there. I should have scalped at 95 or a 94.9 is where I should have gone short from. That's what I should have done, but we were still short from target, and this is why I didn't do it. But we could have had our 1 point already. Okay, extremely high risk trade. Suggest not going short. I suggest looking for a long at correction instead. All right, I'm gonna take that that ES again. All right, I'm going long at 19.25. My target again is 21.5. Stop at 17.25. I think this time's gonna go. There was an NQ trade also, but I chose to overlook it. And that was long at 979. Target 12,027. That's almost halfway already. All right, go, 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 go. Right, halfway through here on the ES. Come on. Quick little scalp, 2-pointer scalp. Right, I'm tempted to take that short on the gold already, but high risk. Still hasn't reached target. But it could have just made a correction on a smaller time frame. Right here, correction, wave down. I am tempted to take this, but I think it's too early. I think it's too early. It may want to go to our target still. Okay, so it's safe to say that, well, it is a pretty thick resistant area. I'm going to leave it until market goes at least halfway. Right, I'm starting to see some sellers. Okay, I'm going to take the short. Extremely high risk trade. Oh, man. It wouldn't let me. Go up, go up, go up. High risk trade. Don't go for it. Market still may want to reach our target. The rest of the E-minis are going up, so this is extremely high risk trade. I'm willing to risk 90 bucks here, but this is extreme high risk. Come on, keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. Actually, I'm going to raise my stop. My target. Go, go. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Yes! All right, up 350. Wow, NQ is halfway to target. That NQ trade. Wow, that's a big trade too. That's a big trade. Right, almost at my ES target. Come on. All right, now I'm just gonna wait. It's gonna wait. I'm not gonna do anything. Just gonna wait. I'm up 350 before commission. I was negative 320. So almost $700 range here. That is awesome. Yeah, look at that. We got out at the right time. Glad I raised my target one tick. All right. Come on. Yes, go. Wow, NQ is moving really nicely. Should have taken that trade. Yep. It was the right decision to only take a one pointer. Because look at that. It's making a full run back up. It might be getting influenced by NQ. Alright, I'm going to get out of my ES. Get out, get out. I'm going to lower it to 20.5. And I'm raising my stop to entry. Stop to entry. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if I can make 200 bucks here. Go! Okay, so I'll probably look for a long entry somewhere around here. So it could come all the way down to 87.9. So it did a full correction from Friday's high to Friday's low. Yeah, so it's going to be pretty tough figuring out where to get in. Or I may take another short at 92.9. I'm tempted to take another short at 92.9. Again, just go for a one pointer. Look at that, starting to drop. All right, extremely high risk trade. So there it is. Okay, let's see what happens here. Actually, even 93.1 is a good area. But it can go all the way down to 87. Depending how momentum is, I may lower the target instead of 1 point. There's a lot of valleys to the downside. The market needs to come down. There it is. Whoa, that was really big. Wow. I'm gonna move it down. 89.7. Wow, that was, I should have gone down. Yeah, that 93.1. That was the right number. I should have followed my instinct. 93.1. That was the number to go short. Yeah. We lost 50 bucks here. Or we could have been up already 50. All right, so just looking for a correction down. This one I'm going to follow it pretty tight. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. Click on the bell so you can get a notification when we go live. Hit like if you're a returning trader, if you're making some money and you like to donate, I would appreciate that. Yeah, I think we got in a little bit too late. Yeah, those 3 big bars down. Yeah, we should have gone short from here. It may want to correct up now before it goes down. Yeah, I would have liked to see it come down to 93.1, go back up, and then down, not just explode down from 93.1. Yeah, we are in the danger zone with our stop. We might have to move it up to 95. I really don't want to do that. Okay, so it could bounce off of 90.4, but I see it mostly bouncing off of at the bottom here. If we reach target, I may either call it a day or I may switch to sim. I already made some money in my overnight, so I really don't need to be trading a whole lot. Wow, look at that ES. Really big. Nice 2-point bar down. All right, we're up 350 with this trade. We're up 460 with one contract. Now I was watching a couple other traders who trade, and they're all trading the E-minis with 2-3 contracts. I hardly don't see anybody making as much money as I make with one contract. And most of them are trading multiple markets. Like I was watching a guy on Friday, and he was trading 2 markets, and he was only up 160 or 200 bucks. I mean, I'm making all of this with two contract. I usually trade more, but I'm just trading one because a top trader So if I don't see, I gave myself 6 months. If I don't see more subscribers, I'm gonna call it quits because I'm actually losing money here by trading less. So if I don't see enough people logging in, taking advantage of what I'm doing, I'm gonna call it quits. So if you guys know people, other traders, bring them on board, because otherwise I'm just wasting my time here. Or I'll start a paid trading room, and then I'll trade whatever I want. So if you have friends who trade also, any of the Topstep traders, bring them on board. All right, here we go. All right, so we are in the danger zone now. It could bounce off of here. Come on, keep going, keep going. And I'm tempted to get out. It could be done. It doesn't have to do a full... Oh, man. No. All right, what are the rest of the boys doing? All right, they're trying. In queue, it's trying. Oh, man. I think that's it. I think that could be it. All right, I'm getting out with $100. I'm out. Okay, 450. Probably made a mistake, but I got 150. So I'm up 450. Oh, and look at that, it's coming down again. Yeah. Yeah, I got scared out of the trade. Yeah. NQ scared me out of the trade. So the short's still good. Man, I could have gotten another $50 out of this. All good, all good, all good, all good. Okay, so in a longer time frame, there's a short at 90.7 going all the way down to 76. But that would be a really extreme trade. I don't know if the market would want to go negative, but I see it at least going to 86. All right. Yeah. I think I'm gonna call it a day. market is only 3.4 points positive. I think it's just going to be a choppy day. And this is when you get killed. Already did really well from being negative 320 to being positive 450. That's a task in itself already. So, good job. And I'm done. And I'm not even going to go and sim. I'm not going to do it. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Please hit like, hit subscribe if you learned anything. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow the market will have a little more direction. But right now I just don't think it's worth it. This will probably make me up $2,000 for the month in this channel. So I'm happy with that. I've only traded 5 days. So it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, everyone. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.